Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to go over one of my most asked questions, and that is, what is your handbag? Whenever I do a fashion haul, I'm always wearing a few certain handbags. So today's video, I'm going to go over my Polène Paris handbag collection, go over the pros and cons of each bag. So if you were interested in getting a Polène bag or just want to know more about it. So a little bit about Polène before we begin. It was founded in 2016 by 3 siblings in Paris. Now this is a relatively new brand. They wanted to create high-end leather luxury goods with unique design. And here is the biggest thing about Polène. All of the bags are made in Spain, which is where the majority of all high-end designer luxury leather bags are made. So these bags are made in the same place as other designer bags that go for over like $2,000. And so Polène's price point, currently all bags are under $500 US. So for the quality of materials that you're getting and the price point is pretty amazing. Most of the bags are made of full grain calf skin leather. And I also just am drawn to their minimal style. They don't go out of fashion. They go with every outfit, and I just love that. So now I'm gonna go over my 5 bags and go over the pros and cons and tell you which one is my absolute favorite. So I have to start off with the Numero Dix Number 10, and this is probably their most viral bag. It is a half moon kind of shaped leather bag. I have it in black leather. They have it in over 17 different colors. So if you were interested in this style, you're going to have the most color options. And I think it's the most popular bag because it's just so wearable. You can wear this as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. These leather straps are adjustable, so you can kind of wear it shorter or longer across your body. And I know we all love our Lululemon vinyl bags crossbody, but if you wanted something a bit more dressy, I recommend having like a leather crossbody because it's going to dress up your outfit. And with this one, I feel like it just elevates everything rather than just a Lululemon bag. And this is made with Italian calfskin leather. Now the features of this bag, it has one zipper on the front opening, and the inside has a small pocket on the side so you can put your cards in there. Now the inside of this bag is not that big. I will say it is pretty narrow. I have my wallet, my gum, my keys, and then I could probably fit just my cell phone inside. Let's just add in some lip gloss and a camera, and I feel like that is the max for this bag. It does fit quite a lot, but you definitely have to kind of maneuver everything inside. So the only con that I see is that the inside opening isn't that wide, so when you're trying to find something, it is kind of hard to find things. But if you are just having like your wallet, your keys, I don't carry that much on me when I'm going out. So if you just carry like a few things, you are going to love it. I feel like this bag just has so much style. I do love it in the black leather as well. I know they have this one in many different colors, but I think the black is just classic. And my tip with buying any handbag is like, if you are in doubt of what color you would like to get, black is always a good option because one, it's probably one of the most wearable colors. And if you got it in like a fun, bright color, you probably will get more wear out of this bag. This bag currently is $480 US. Next bag, let's go into one of my latest additions. This is the Numero Neuf Mini in taupe leather. And I have it in the mini version. They do also have this in a larger version. I personally gravitate towards smaller bags. I don't really bring a lot with me when I go outside, so I don't love big like tote bag style bags. So I love the size of this bag. At first, I was unsure of like where and when I would wear this bag because of the style. It's so unique, but I have found myself wearing this so much because I usually wear this when I want to just dress up a really casual outfit, because you could wear something very simple and then just add this bag. It really just adds something special to your whole look. Now this is a top handle bag. It did come with an adjustable strap so you could wear a crossbody. I think personally this bag is a bit too big to be worn as a crossbody bag. It's just a bit too like wide, if you know what I mean. So I just love wearing it like this. And then also it's very easy to hold, very comfortable to wear. I have this bag in the taupe leather, and if you were wondering what the taupe leather is all about, I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a gray toned leather. The color right here is a true like warm leather. And while this is a cool leather, I find that I use this bag so much because of the color. This bag can match with both warm tone and cool tone colors, where this color would only work, I feel like, primarily during the fall times or the winter months. Color could be worn throughout the entire year. The outside of this bag is calfskin leather, and then the inside is lined with cotton. The opening of this bag, I would say, is pretty small. Like when you put stuff in, your hand kind of has to dig in to find things. That would be my only con with this bag. But overall, I think it's such a wearable bag, and the structure of this bag does not move. Like, this is how it looks. It's not gonna flop over. It's just a very nice structured bag. They do have this in a bigger size if you like to carry a lot of things with you, but I really love this small size. I think it's the perfect amount. You can fit your phone, wallet, your keys, your lip gloss, and you can even fit a small can inside. This bag currently is $420 US. So I think we have to move on to, I'm gonna say it, this by far is my favorite bag and probably the one that I get the most questions on in my YouTube channel because I actually wear this bag with so many of my outfits. And here it is. This is the Polène Numero Sept Mini, which is the number 7 mini in black leather. And I got this in Paris actually, and this was what I wanted to get when I went to the store in Paris. Ended up buying 3 bags. More on that story time later in this video. It has a lot of structure. As you can see, it has a nice triangle shape. While it looks really small at the front, you can fit a lot in this bag just because it has that structure. And it opens up as a square, so even though it folds up as a triangle, you can fit in a lot of things. Obviously, the more you put in the bag, the harder it will be to close. The reason why I just love this bag is the style of it. I think it really adds a nice, like, classy touch to any look. It kind of dresses everything up no matter what it is. It has a nice small top handle, and there is a chain that you can wear it as a crossbody. I kind of prefer sometimes just to have it as a handle. The only con with this bag, because I absolutely love everything about it, is that the chain does not come off. So if you wanted to hold it like as a top handle bag, the chain, you have to stuff the chain inside the bag, whereas this top handle actually can be removed. So I feel like they should have flipped that around and had the top handle on at all times and the chain be able to remove. There's also a nice little card pocket right in the interior of the bag, so you can put your cards in there, and then you can fit quite a lot in here even though it's small. So this is like my go-to evening bag because it dresses up everything. Whatever I need to bring for the evening will fit in here because I don't really need that much, and the size is just a nice small size. I think everyone should have this bag in black. It's so stunning. I love the size of it, and it just goes with literally everything. And this bag currently is $420 US. The next bag, we have the Numero Sept in the larger size, and this is their taupe canvas print. When I saw this, when they released it, I literally had to have it because I have not seen such a pretty design. Now, the base of this bag is Italian calfskin leather. Fabric part right here is 80% wool, 20% polyamide. So it has a nice, like, soft mottled fabric. So it's very beautiful. The base of this bag is actually the taupe leather. I just find that this tone of color goes so many different things because it's actually a true neutral. Like, it goes well with black, it goes well with white, and it's just a very versatile bag. So the size comparison of the Sept versus the Mini, as you can see, it is much bigger and you can fit a lot more inside. So if you do like to carry a few more things with you and you know you're gonna need more space, the Sept regular size would be a great one. Because this is on the bigger side, I don't really tend to grab this for evenings. This is like a day bag in my opinion, but if you had this in like a black leather, you could wear the larger size for an evening bag. The interior of the bag is the same, but this bag is actually lined with suede. So while this bag is not like, the exterior is not all leather, the interior is suede. So I feel like that kind of justifies this price point. It has a nice top handle, and then the back of this bag has a thicker leather strap. The leather strap is adjustable, but you can't take off the leather strap. So if you wanted to wear it as a top handle, the strap will be hanging down, or you can kind of wear it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. Even though it is wool, I feel like you can wear this bag all year round. It isn't a summery bag just because it has so much structure. It's lined with that leather and it's an absolute beauty. I love this one. It is $490 US. And the last bag in my collection is the Numero Un Mini. And this is my first Polène bag ever. I got this bag in 2018, I believe. It's been with me for a long time, and this is one of their original, like, first kind of bags. So if you know Polène, you probably have seen this style. First of all, this is why I fell in love with this brand, because I just think this style is so minimal. I love the curved line of the suede. It has some nice structure. It has nice feet at the bottom. It's made with calfskin leather. This is suede. There's also a nice back pocket on this style, and there is a chain. So this is a crossbody bag. They still sell this bag online online, but I know some colors are kind of sold out. Now, the cool thing about Polène is that they do offer repair services. So my suede flap got so dirty because they do warn you with this lighter suede flap that if you wear darker pieces of clothing, you will kind of stain this a lot. So I sent this in, they shipped it to Spain, and they repaired this for me for free actually. And they took off the whole top and they gave me a new suede top, which I thought was pretty amazing. Anything goes wrong with your bag, they have really great customer service. I was surprised that they even offered to do it for free. So I signed up. It did take a while though. It probably took maybe about a month and a half to get it fully repaired. So if you really want your bag, it's going to take a while because they do fix it in Spain. While this bag is on the smaller side, the interior of the bag, there's clasp right here. So you can open this up and you can have a really large opening on the inside, and there's a nice pocket of this bag. This is my first Polène bag. I literally have worn this so much, but I'm so happy to see that they are coming out with new designs. So that's why I have all the other ones. Currently, this bag is $410 US. A big question is, where can you get these bags? And they do sell them online, shipped to a few different countries, including the US. But if you ever went to Paris, I recommend checking out the Paris boutique because yes, they are cheaper in Paris. You can save about 100 or more US dollars per bag. So I know these are all in the 400s in the US, but in Paris, they are around 350 euros. With the conversion rate, it comes out to be like $380. And then you don't have to pay any taxes on it. You can get your tax taken off when you leave the country. So if you do go to Paris, I recommend definitely checking out the Paris boutique because you can save a lot of money. When I went to Paris, I did wait in line to get these bags. It probably took like an hour, 2 hours to wait in line. Yes, I did wait that long. But once I was inside, I was actually just gonna get this bag, but I ended up actually buying these two as well in Paris because one, they told me that this one, especially the Numero 10, does sell out. So because I waited so much time in line, I just ended up getting 3 bags. But because I was in Paris for 3 bags, I basically paid the price for 2 bags in the US. But if you aren't going to Paris and want to kind of see these bags in person, they do have a boutique in New York City, and that's the only US location currently. As you can see, I do love Polène bags. I love the fact that they are made out of leather and they are literally made in the same place as other high-end luxury designers. I don't know how much other designer bags are, but they are definitely over 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and they're basically made with the same materials. And in my opinion, this just looks so expensive, so high end. Yes, it's still pricey. It's still, you know, a lot of money, but you're not paying that premium price of like $1,000 plus for a beautiful designer leather bag. And also Polène bags do not go on sale, so be wary of like online sellers selling these bags for a questionable price. They're definitely not authentic, so I would stick to buying them on the website if you are going to go on the online route. Finally, are Polène bags worth it? As you can see, I obviously think so. I just love the fact that you can get a really high quality bag, and out of all the bags, I definitely wear the Sept Mini the most. I just find that it's the most versatile. It's super cute on the weekends or dressed up or down. So this is my #1 worn. And then my second most worn is definitely a tie between 9 and the 10, which is surprising because when I got this, I wasn't so sure on it. I was like, it's really cool. I don't know how I can wear it, but I've actually been gravitating towards this bag so much more than I thought I would. So I highly recommend these two. And then I wear my #7 mostly for during the day. If I have to carry a lot of things with me, that's because it's a bigger size. I just prefer smaller bags in general. So yes, I think they're worth it. I absolutely love them. My next Polène bag, I'm eyeing up this one in a brown color because I don't have any like true warm brown leather bags, and I'm looking into their tote bag, which has gotten a lot of good reviews, so I'm curious about that one. So let me know down below which style is your favorite. Have you ever heard of Polène bags? Do you have a Polène bag? If you do, leave a comment and let me know which bag you have and what color. I would love to know. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. With that, I hope you guys have a super awesome week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.